Welcome back, everyone, to our YouTube channel, San Luis Obispo Real Estate. This is Jay Bond Real Estate Group of eXp Realty. If you're tuning in today to see a beautiful ranch property in San Miguel, California, you have tuned in to the right location. So today we're at 2750 Lazy Hill here in San Miguel. Now, this is part of the Independence Ranch community in San Miguel. Now, if you're familiar with San Miguel, it's the most northern city in the county of San Luis Obispo off of Highway 101, right? So this is just north of Paso Robles wine country and also has its own relatively notable wine and vineyard presence here as well. Now, this home is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, just under 1,700 square feet of living space, and sitting on, gang, 10 acres of just pristine land here, right? A 10-acre parcel. Now, rolling hill views as well as vineyard views from this property. Right across from where I'm looking right now is just acres of vineyard. So just pristine, amazing sights to see here in this San Miguel home. So as we see here, just from the exterior, it's had a facelift over the years, right? Since its construction in the early 2000s. Now, interior has also experienced some updating to the home as well, which we'll check out here momentarily. Now, gang, as always, we love you. We love you tuning in. We love being and providing value for you here on the Central Coast with regards to your home buying and selling interest. So if you like what you're seeing, hey, hit that thumbs up, hit that bell to receive notifications from us, and also hit that subscribe button if you want to stay tuned for new content that we are dropping regularly. So why don't we go inside and check out this beautiful San Miguel home. All right, gang, here we are inside the living room of 2750 Lazy Hill in San Miguel, California. So as we see, a relatively open concept, right, in this living room, which is really nice. Now, again, this is perfect for single family living. In addition, this could also be a rental. For the last few years, this home has operated as a vacation rental, and as we can see, kind of set up for such, right? So great space for entertaining, hosting. Clearly, this is a relatively decent sized sectional sofa that we see right here. So you can put some large pieces of furniture in this room, right? Which is really nice. We have a lot of abundance of natural light coming in through this main window right here, and stellar vineyard views. I'm not even joking. Literally right across the street here, you can enjoy coffee on the sofa while you're looking out the window and looking at a beautiful vineyard, which is awesome. Now we flow right into what we would consider our formal dining area, right? So this is honestly a smaller table than what could really fit in this space. You could probably put something a little bit longer, perhaps maybe a little bit wider, but overall, fair amount of seating in here, right? This opened up portion of the kitchen, as we segue in here now, is great, entertaining. At one point in time, this may have been closed off, but it looks like it is nice and open now. Plenty of clean flowing counter space here as well, right? Bar space, and then a nice island right in the middle. The home itself, if you can't tell, has undertaken some improvements, updating over the last handful of years. And so really turnkey, unless you want to do some other changes to it. It's pretty pristine and ready to go. Stainless steel appliances, right? Very nice. And as we flow in here, more pantry space built in, which is very cool. We can never have enough storage, right? Especially off of the kitchen. And then we segue kind of dog leg right into a laundry room, all right, indoor laundry, which is amazing. Let me make our way down here real quick while I pivot on the foyer. Now, I want to check out the bedrooms, right? Then we'll circle back, check out the garage, and then we'll actually do a good walk around this property, check out the yard space, the views, all these things that I've been carrying on about in this beautiful San Miguel home. Now, real quick, before we do that, I love your guys' support. We love you guys tuning in. We love you guys watching. We love the feedback. And we want to be a resource for you guys, as you know, here on the Central Coast, especially in the real estate market here. So if you like what you're seeing, hey, hit that thumbs up, hit that bell to receive notifications, as well as that subscribe button to get new content from us regularly. We appreciate you guys. We love you. All right, bedrooms here at Lazy Hill. Let's segue down the hallway. As we see, typical coat closet. Storage closet, perhaps. Right now there's an ironing board and a vacuum in there. Very common things, themed things that you would see in such a closet space or coat closet, right? Laminate flooring going through down in this direction here, as we see. And this is the same product that has been used throughout the home, which is nice. And as we cut in right here, we're gonna see our full bath, right? So tub, shower, vanity, some nice fun tiles, cool color palette. Really nice job done in this home with the remodel that they did. Now, why don't we hang a hook over here real quick, right? We've got 2 nice sized bedrooms, a little bit more storage. It's locked currently. I've locked myself out of this closet, but I would imagine additional storage. Now let's check out guest bedroom number 1, as I'm gonna dub it today. This is a king size bed. This is a decent sized bed in here, right? A lot of natural light flowing through as well. Vineyard views of the yard space, the acreage here in this beautiful San Miguel home, right? But decent sized room. Whether you're renting a place out, whether this is your children's room, maybe for your in-laws or guests when they visit town, right? But nice size. Now, we're gonna hook over because right across the hall is guest bedroom number 2. I wanna say this is probably close in footprint as guest bedroom number 1. Very similar sized, king sized bed, right? A room for nightstands, dressers, furniture. You got your nice closet space. And what's great about the home, again, single level living, great for all ages, right? All folks. Now, but the views, they've done a good job of positioning these windows to make sure they're capturing these vineyard and hillside views from almost every living space in this house that we can tell, right? Which is super, super awesome. Now, real quick, let's check out the master bedroom. Then we're gonna go out and we're gonna check out some of this property out here that we're talking about. So here we are, master bedroom. Now, in this type of house, they've split up the closet spaces, right? So just in my direction here, my right, your left is closet space number 1. And just off to the right-hand side of the bed, closet space number 2. So perhaps his and hers, perhaps hers and hers. A lot of women have a lot of clothes, a lot of shoes sometimes, right? But again, king size bed, room for larger pieces of furniture in here. This is a pretty darn good sized bedroom, right? Nice master bedroom space, sliding glass door that's gonna take you out to the backyard. Another additional amazing area for entertaining, which we'll jump into out there here shortly. And then ensuite master bath. Now again, the home has been completely remodeled from head to toe. Fun tiles in the shower, great color scheme, just a lot of great finishes in the San Miguel home. I love it. I love it, gang. So what I want to do now is I want to go do a nice walk around this property. Let's look at some of the sitting areas, some of the viewpoints, if you will, right? The viewing areas, which there are many here at this property. And then we're going to look at the backyard entertainment space. So let's check it out. All right, so here we are in the front yard of 2750 Lazy Hill in San Miguel. Now again, this is in the Independence Ranch community of San Miguel. And behind me here, we have a nice sitting area, right? Just kind of overlooks all of these amazing hillside and vineyard views in front of us. All right, just stunning, stunning property. And then we have bocce ball set up here right behind us, right? Now we are winter time right now, but this is really set up for bocce. So if you want to bring it out and get rolling, you can. It's awesome. Then our nice little sitting view area here. Again, morning coffee, hanging out. This never gets old. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't see this getting old, this view here, right? Just beautiful, quiet. And again, this is a 10-acre parcel here in San Miguel. So what I want to do then is I want to do a quick loop around. Let's check out the backyard, the back patio, great entertaining space, and then we'll wrap up our tour here in San Miguel. All right, so here we are in the backyard at 2750 Lazy Hill. So as we see, this is a really nice covered patio area, right? So this is great just for dining, summertime barbecues, hanging out, drinking some wine, maybe drinking some morning coffee. But this is perfect because, you know, San Miguel, this is inland, right? So wintertime, it does cool down, relatively cooler right now. Still nice though and sunny. But summertime, it gets hot. I mean, sometimes 90s, over 100 degrees, and it's nice to have that covered patio and outdoor space for yourself. And it makes, I'm going to be honest with you, from a lifelong resident here, just really amazing, beautiful summertime, warm summertime evenings here in this part of the county. But a great space nonetheless, right? So as we can see here, they have a nice dining table set out here, great for hanging out, right? Another little sitting area, right, set off to the side there. And then in the distance, not in use now, but also what was at one point garden beds, right? So great place to have a little home garden going, or whatever else you want to do in that space. Maybe take it down and put in something else there, right? You got 10 acres here. There's a lot of stuff to do in this beautiful San Miguel home and on this property. But gang, guys, this is it. This is a beautiful property. We had this listed at $699,000, ready for viewing today, right? So as always, whether you want to see this home or any other property on the Central Coast, coastal ranch, whatever it may be, reach out to your broker, right? Ask some good questions. Ask them to be a resource for you. If not, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. We want to be your resource here on the Central Coast. We want to talk real estate with you, your goals, what you're trying to accomplish, you, your friends, and your family. So thank you for tuning in as always, and stay tuned for our next property tour video.